also asked the firefighter about the government. He said the municipality is in charge of it and not getting a lot of support and materials. I also asked him what clothes you wear to protect you from the fire. He said overall, a cast, a jacket and leather boots. I also asked him, do you train people? He said yes. They have a special department that trains people to prevent the fire and how to protect themselves. I called the firefighter. I asked him a couple of questions. I said, what are some challenges that you face? And he said, it depends on the place and the type of fire. It depends if it's underground fire, if it has windows, an overground fire, if it's an oil fire, if it's a plastic fire, etc. And I also asked him, what are the materials you use? They use axes, water, fire shelters, and even foam if it's an oil fire, and powder if it's an electricity fire. Do you know what to do in case of a fire? Well, I'll give you some tips. Tip number 1. Leave all of your belongings behind.
So now I'm going to talk about the safety. How can we stay safe during the fire? Tip 1. Install smoke alarms in every level of your apartment. Tip 2. Test the smoke alarms every month. Tip 3, talk with your family, the fire escape tips. Bye!
Hi everybody, today I'll be talking about ways to stop polluting to not cause a wildfire. Number 1, you could reuse plastic bags and plastic bottles because plastic can cause a fire in the wild. Number 2, when you are smoking in the wild, make sure to turn off the cigarette well because that can cause a fire as well. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.